Holistic medicine was just the obvious path for me. If you knew me growing up and knew me now, you'd be like, well, yeah, of course she's a naturopathic doctor. It's just, my grandmother started a health food store in the 80s. She was very, very sick, had to go out to Colorado to see a really specific integrative physician, and she got well. And so that inspired her to open up a health food store and start to kind of spread the knowledge of nutrition. She was really big on high quality supplements. And so I saw that for my own eyes, and I saw people not feeling well, and medication wasn't always the answer for them. And so then when I discovered Bastyr University, which is a naturopathic college up in Seattle, it was a no-brainer, and my goal was to get into that school after I went to K-State. I get excited every time I get to meet with a new patient because we're all so different, and I get to learn what's different about that person, whether it's their past medical history, their family history, what they eat, what they do on the weekends, how they sleep, all those things. And in my head, I'm like putting together a web of like, okay, this person is fatigued and doesn't feel well. Like, what makes sense as to how that person got there? So I guess just that individualized nature to what I do. It's not a cookbook. I can't just open up a cookbook and say, oh, this patient's fatigued. Well, they get X, Y, Z. So I think patients, they really appreciate that I'm a listener. I'm spending a lot of time listening to their story, and I'm trying to put it together for them. I have so much passion for what I do because every day is different. And every one of those patients' story is different, and their treatment plan is different. And so I guess it's exciting and rewarding for me to figure out that piece in that person's health struggle, and then to see them for follow-up and they're better and they want to give me a hug, and it's very fulfilling. Patients walk away from our first visit saying, yeah, this is what I've been looking for. I just never knew it existed. I'm Megan Schlick, naturopathic doctor with AdventHealth Shawnee Mission.